Hello grade 10, I'm going to show you how to create your project in Photoshop. This is Mr. Ahmed Farouk. To begin our work, press File, choose New, then type down the name of the project or your name. From the preset, choose International Paper, size A4, then click OK. To create your background with the gradient tool, press G from the keyboard or right click on the toolbars. Make sure you are using the gradient tool, not the paint bucket tool. Choose your colors, for example pale blue and dark blue on the foreground and the background color. Then pull the mouse like this, and that's it. To add some text to your project, press T from the keyboard or choose Type tool from the toolbar and then draw a rectangle like this. Start typing like avoid shaking hands. Okay. You can change the color of the text. You can change the style of the text. I'm going to choose the white one and the style of the text. Okay, and of course the size of the text. Okay, to add some effects, you can press the FX button and choose drop shadow. Can add stroke, and basically you can try any of these styles and choose whatever you want. Okay. You can add some other effects like wrap text from the styles. Let's try the wave one. Okay, and that's how you create a text on Photoshop. To add a picture to the project, press File, Open, and choose the picture. Press V from the keyboard or press on the Move tool. Drag the picture into your project and leave it. Press Ctrl T to resize and transform the picture. Press FX. You can add some effect the way we did to the text. And that's it.